Okay, Tabitha, you gonna blow the candle out? Blow it out. Go. Blow it out. You can do it. Don't be shy. Don't touch it. Go. Come on. You don't want to? You've already done it twice. Oh, you try. Come on. You can do it. She's camera shy. She doesn't want to do it now. Go. Come on. You don't want to? Please. You're a silly girl. Okay, blow it out. You almost did it. She got so excited. Look at her. Come on. One more time. You can do it. Blow it out. Go. Go. You can do it. You don't want to? I want to blow it out. Do it. Blow it out. Blow it out. Blow it out, baby. No, she's not going to do it, Daddy. I don't think this is our night. Oh, good job. Try one more time. You almost did it. Go. Good. Come on, do it again. You gotta lean forward and do it, baby. You don't want to? You don't want to do it? Will Mama do it? You try. You're silly. Oh, what happened? You got?
No.
What?
Cat.
A cat?
Cat.
What is she saying? Are you filming me? I don't want to be filmed. I look all tired and worn out at the end of a very long day. Come on. Blow it out. Oh. Your turn. Your turn. Your turn. Silly baby. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
I'm crying.
1, 2, 3, go. Tell me. She did it twice and now she won't do it. 1, 2, 3. Blow. I don't think so.